Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting CX File Explorer onto your headset and enabling developer mode so the headset accepts outside apps. Once done, allow unknown sources so installations work. Next, download or sideload the mod package to the headset storage using your PC or browser. Make sure you keep a backup of the original Gorilla Tag files before you touch anything. This protects you if something goes wrong. You're doing this so CX can access and move files directly on the head. You now use CX to navigate into the game directory. Once there, extract any zipped mods directly on the headset so folder paths remain intact. Make sure to preserve the mod author's folder structure because the game expects files in specific locations. If a mod lists a version requirement, match it. If not, prioritize the mod build that fits your game version. After moving files, set file permissions if necessary so the game can read and execute them. And double-check no files were accidentally nested one folder too deep. You finish by rebooting the headset so the system registers new files. Once restarted, launch Gorilla Tag and confirm the mod features appear or that the game doesn't crash. If you encounter issues, make sure to remove the most recent mod first and test again, because the last change is often the culprit. If it still fails, restore your backup and reinstall mods one at a time to identify the problem. Remember, keep backups and track mod versions to avoid repeat conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.